A fan of mine tweeted a picture of me saying, Tom Holland looks like he has a frog in his mouth when he's taking paparazzi pictures. And I thought it was hilarious, so I reposted the picture, which then went viral and everyone found it hilarious. But then weeks go by and I'd look at myself in the mirror and be like, maybe I do look like I have a frog in my mouth.
I think this is the original tweet. This is you.
You do look like you. I'm trying to go for the chiseled jaw kind of look.
Oh, you're
and it's just not
clenching.
working.
Yeah.